So, hi guys, welcome to Placements Ready. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So, today we are going to solve the problem reverse words in a given string. So, this problem is a very favorite problem of many companies, right? So, if I show you the company tags, you can see a hell lot of companies. Okay, so as you can see, it has been asked in Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Microsoft, Samsung, and many more, right? So, the problem is we are given a string S. We have to reverse the string without reversing its individual words. Okay. And the words are separated by dots. So if you carefully see here, the string is I like this program very much. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to reverse this string, but the individual words should not be reversed. Okay. So much will appear first, then very will come, then program will come, then this will come, then like, then I. Okay. So I hope the problem statement is clear to you. Now the problem here is somewhat tricky. Why? Because you have to reverse the individual words and the words are separated by a dot. Okay. So let's discuss this problem in more detail. So see, the string is like this. Okay. Now there can be multiple ways in order to solve this problem. So the first method is using just loops. Now the other method is using string stream in C++, and the third method is using strtok. Okay, so I will be discussing the most basic approach. If you want the solution for this problem, please write down in the comment. Okay, so the problem is like this. Now first of all, what we need to do, we have to separate these words around this dot, right? So we have to separate this also. For that we need a dot. So first of all, what we will do, we will place a dot here. That is okay. Now I will take a I which will initially point to 0, right? And I will write a while loop. While my I is less than string length. So n will be storing the length of the string. So first of all, what we will do, we will take a variable j. J will be placed at I initially. Now we will run j till we don't get a dot. Okay, so while s of j is not equal to dot, we will keep incrementing j. As soon as we hit a dot, I know the word before this is one of the words, right? So how can we access that? Now see, j will be pointing to 1. That is fine. Now my word starts at the position I and ends at the position just before j, right? So the length of my word will be nothing but j minus I, and we can get this word using the substr method. So we can use s.substr. It starts with at the position I and has length j minus I. That is fine. Now what we will do, we will store this word in a answer vector. So that is fine. Now our answer will be similarly. What we will do, we will now place I just after j, right? So j will be pointing at 1. Now we will be placing I just after j. So I will be placed here. Again we will do the same thing. When we hit a dot, we will stop and we will get this string by the help of substr method as I discussed, and we will push back this into our answer. So this process will continue, and finally our answer vector will be containing the words, right? I like this program very much, in this way. Okay, and now what we need to do, we just have to add these words. Let's say we have a answer string, right? Now what we will do, we will first of all iterate from the back of the vector, and we will keep on adding this, right? So answer plus is equal to v of I. So I will be starting from last of the vector, and then we have to place a dot also, right? So dot यहाँ पे place कर देंगे. Okay, now you have to iterate till this, right? And then, or like you can iterate for the whole as well, but the problem is that at the end you will be having an extra dot, right? So you can remove this dot using answer dot pop underscore back. So this will delete the last dot. Okay, or else you can iterate till I equal to 1, and you can separately add this. So I hope this logic and explanation is clear to you. So here you can see I have taken a vector in order to store the individual words. Now I have placed the I at 0 initially, and I have added a extra dot in order to extract the last word. Now n will be storing the s length. Now while I is less than n, now I will take a variable j and have the value I in it. Now I will keep on iterating j till it doesn't hit a dot. अब उसके बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे, करंट में सिंपली सब str कैलकुलेट करके एक करंट स्ट्रिंग ले लेंगे, उसमें वो पुट कर देंगे, एंड फाइनली वी विल स्टोर दैट इन आवर वेक्टर, एंड आई विल बी नाउ पॉइंटिंग टू j+1, क्योंकि j हमारा कहाँ पे रुका होगा, जहाँ पे डॉट होगा. तो अब अगली बार कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, उस डॉट के बाद स्टार्ट करना है, राइट? नाउ फाइनली वी विल टेक आंसर स्ट्रिंग, और मैंने क्या किया है, आई को 1 तक रन करा है, राइट? एंड देन आंसर में हमने जो v ऑफ i था उसे ऐड कर दिया, जो भी आयत स्ट्रिंग था, एंड देन डॉट एक ऐड करा है. लास्टली जो पहला एलिमेंट होगा यू कैन एक्सेस इज यूजिंग v डॉट फ्रंट मेथड, एंड फाइनली वी कैन रिटर्न आवर आंसर. So I hope the code is clear. Now let's discuss the time and space complexity. So here you can see I have taken a extra vector, right? So the vector at max will be storing the length of the character of the string. So the space complexity will be order of length of string, and the time complexity will be also order of length of string. Why? Because we are iterating till the whole string, okay? And this will be taking at worst case the order of s. So I hope everything about this problem is clear. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content. Thanks for watching.